Hi, Pandit Fakir Yogi Virendra Yogi.
Yes, sir. You are welcome, Dr. Satnarayan.
What is your suggestion to the
Real estate developer.
real estate developers?
Okay. This is the Chief Constable of Nani City, my introduction. I stayed in Nani City for the last 25 years. K Block, Sector 3, adjoining to Nani City office. Friends, my suggestions to the real estate developer is you should have passion similar to the most revered and respected Colonel Ranga Rao. He started his real estate business not for money, but his passion and feelings was for homeless. He has thousands and thousands people who fought for liberation of Bangladesh, and he understood that how important it is to have a house when you retire. So he made his resolve very strong and powerful and wanted to give plots to every retired soldiers. And that's why he started with Gandrock Enclave. And then the second venture came Nani East City. Now I appeal to all the developers. You should have first the feeling to give shelter. Don't work just for money. Don't work for just money. Money either way you will get. If you are real estate business, money will not be having any scarcity or any kind of weakness for you. But the feelings and passion to give a good shelter in the right environment like this Nani city should be the priority of job. I know you also earn a lot of money here, because once you are registering, you understand how much money you are getting. The government rate is different and the real estate different is different. So money wise you are well off. But make beautiful residential plotting ventures and provide with all the facilities and love your customers. If you go to Nani city office in this BB Nagar, Telangana state of India, Bharat, you will see a beautiful message of Gandhi, which Colonel Ranga Rao always adorn and appreciate. I tell you the summary of that. Your customer is real monarch. Customer is the real king. Give the customer the best service, QQMA, quality of service, quantity of service, and with the mental attitude you are giving service. Your attitude should be love, affection, kindness, compassion. And you are giving them home. You are giving them a plot to construct a beautiful home. So that is my suggestion. Real estate developers, I know how rich you are. You are not only millionaire, some of you are billionaire. If you own one plot, it is worth 1 crore. But you have exchange hundreds and hundreds and thousands of plots to the customers. Love customers, respect customers. Because of their hard-earned money, today you are a billionaire and millionaire. You should not make it a cheap business, deceiving, cheating, hurting, harming the sentiments of the customers. What is the message of Colonel Ranga Rao? Emulate the path of Ranga Rao. Don't find fault with him. He's a conqueror. He's a commander. He's a modern Alexander the Great. He is Julius Caesar, Veni Vidi Vici. Wherever he goes, he constructs a beautiful venture. Don't find fault. It's all motherland. It's land of Mother India. And every citizen of India has a stake there. You may name it government land, you make the Bhutan land, nonsense. It is only citizen of India land. And if you are doing anything for the welfare of the citizen of India, it is justified. And also appeal to the Honorable Supreme Court of India. Whenever residents comes, blindly you shut your eyes and give verdict in favor of the customers, because they are the stakeholders. And appreciate those developers who have done something for the people of India. Give him shelter. I adore and appreciate Narendra Modi also. He is giving home for the homeless. The Prime Minister residential program he is running. It is not less than that. It is not less than that. I am one of the beneficiary. Manav Ratna, Dr. G.V. Krishna Reddy is giving me food, shelter and clothes. Everything came from him. And also Colonel Ranga Rao gave me a beautiful plots. That's why I have a house. So real estate developers, first become a great human being. Develop feelings. Thank you.